a couple of weeks ago, my mother, her horn stopped in her car.
Okay.
So she was not able to beep the horn.
All right.
Much as she tried, she could not beep the horn.
What?
Okay. A couple days ago, we were all sitting there at the front porch, chilling, having a good old time on the front porch, relaxing.
Were you drinking some like hot cocoa?
No.
No?
Iced tea.
Iced tea? Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
So anyways, we're sitting there drinking iced tea on the patio, watching it, watching the kids play in the grass and stuff like that. And the horn all of a sudden starts to go off. That's exactly what it was like.
Yeah?
About 15 minutes, that car went off, just going beep.
Wow.
I just kept doing that. And my
That's
mom
something.
starts panicking.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to do. I just looked at her panicking, and I just drank my iced tea.
Iced tea, yeah.
We had to wake my father up. He had to come out.
He didn't wake up when he heard beep. You have like
That's exactly
3 minutes of this stuff.
exactly.
3 minutes.
That's exactly how it was. It was unbelievable. So
Yeah.
finally, my dad had to end up taking the battery off the car.